Hi everyone, my name's Christy and I'm the high school librarian at the Indian Trails Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me for a No Sew t-shirt bag. I'm so excited. This is what the end product is gonna look like. It's like a little bag with some fringe, some straps. It's a good bag. It's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna hold like a gallon of milk, but it can definitely hold some books and stuff. All you're gonna need for this is a t-shirt that you don't mind turning into a bag. You cannot turn it back into a t-shirt. So you've got to sacrifice the t-shirt to a bag, and you're gonna need a pair of scissors, preferably sharp, because cutting fabric does take a sharp pair of scissors. And that's pretty much it. And let's get started. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is get the t-shirt we wanna turn into a bag and just have it flat on the table. So once you've done that, the next step is we're gonna make the straps for the bag. The sleeves of the bag do not make the sleeves of the shirt don't make great straps for the bag, so we need to cut those off, like so. So once those are cut off, you can decide how thick of straps you want your bag to be. We're going to use this part of the shirt to dictate how thick the straps are. So I don't want super thick straps. So I am going to turn it towards me to make it a little bit easier. I think I want straps about this thick. So I'm going to cut here. And I'm going to cut here. And then you make a giant U and connect the two. If you have writing or anything, make sure you don't cut into that. But you just make a U and connect the two slits we already made. So there we go. So these are going to be the straps of our bag. So we're already probably a third of the way there. The next thing you need to decide is how deep do you want your bags to be. I think this is too deep for a normal bag. So let's say I want the bag to go about this deep. So this is the top, this is the bottom. From wherever you decide you want your bottom to be, you're gonna go about 2.5 to 3 inches down. So I'm gonna cut right about here because I want it to stop about here. So 2.5, 3 inches down. And then I'm gonna cut this off. So I'm going to get rid of these. So now since I want my bag to go about this deep, I'm going to cut about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick straps up about 2.5 to 3 inches. This is important that you make sure throughout all of this, you want to be cutting both sides of the t-shirt, but this is especially important that you cut both parts of the t-shirt, this side and this side, at the same time. So here we go. So when you're about this far into cutting the fringe, we want to try to end with an even number of fringe straps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. So 15, I guess we'll have to make a little bit thicker of a strap. 16, 17, 18. So yeah, we want to make sure we end with even number of straps, fringes here. So the next thing you need to do is on either side of your shirt, your fringe is still connected through with the hem right here. So you're going to want to cut the hem on either side of the fringe, also about 1.5 inches, 2.5 to 3 inches. Awesome. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie each fringe pairing together. So take this, I'm gonna get rid of this tab. You don't have to. Yeah. I'm gonna tie it together. And then we're going to take the next pair and tie it together. And you just do that for every pair of fringes. So now we're pretty far along in making our bag. We open it up, we can see, ooh, it's a bag. It can definitely hold stuff. But to make these ties a little more sturdy, something that I got told I recommend doing is taking some of these ties and trying to kind of just loop them together as well. It's gonna make the whole bag just more sturdy. You don't have to do it. Maybe do some from the front ties, some from the back. And this still won't be able to like hold a gallon of milk, but it should be able to hold a couple books or maybe like, I don't know, some apples or a notebook. And they're just so cute. And you can customize them with any t-shirt you want. it was just, I don't know, fun day. Maybe you're going to the beach. Yeah, that'd be nice in November. But you're just bringing like some towels. But yeah, we're just tying them together to try to make them a little bit stronger. And there we go. We have a fun little bag. Thank you guys so much for joining me for the Snow Sew t-shirt bag. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something fun and new, and now you're obsessed with making these bags just like I am. Thank you so much and have a great day.